Hey guys, it's beautyriotx, and today we are back to doing our unboxing of our K-beauty box, Beautque. All the information for this box will be listed in the box below. It's a really fun, quirky, Korean, Asian beauty box. Always has fun stuff in it. But oddly enough, it feels very light. This is probably the lightest box I've ever received, so I'm kind of interested to see what's inside. Also, if you hear a tiny little voice in the background, that is my daughter Lou, and if you don't like the sweet sound of children, please leave now because the baby stays. The theme for this box is Drama Queen for January 2019. I know this is late, but I always get this box like the very last, either few days of the month or like the very first few days of the next month. So if you're wondering why I'm doing January's box now, that's why. It's always really nicely packed. And let's see. The first thing is by Beautque, and it is the Professional Mineral Water Glow. That sounds like a highlighter, and I'm pretty excited if that's what it fucking is. I have to say though, the packaging is kind of cheap looking, but if this is awesome, then I don't care. Yep. It's awesome. All right, I already have highlight on, but who are we fucking kidding? Okay, so this is in number 4. I guess there's a few different variations of it. Oh, okay, no, it's not really fair because I'm putting it on top of a gel highlighter, which is already dry, but that absolutely intensified it. Wow. Everyday drawer. That was a good start. That retailed for $19. Anything special about it? Just poke myself in the eye. It's recommended for highlighting your forehead and chin. I won't do either of those, but nose and cheeks work well for me. Wow, that's a lot of nose highlight. All right, the next, I've had this. I have this. I'm not gonna open this. This is the Look at My Eyes. I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's by Etude House, and this retails for $9, and it's a really pretty red kind of satin eyeshadow. I will save this for a giveaway because like I said, I already have this, and I've actually depotted it. It's in like some of my big, you know, Z palettes. All right, the next thing I see is the Chameleon Peel Off Mask, Softening and Calming by Yeppen Skin. That's cute. This retails for $13.99. Watch the mask transform your skin. Oh God, I still have my teeth. Watch the mask transform your skin as it changes colors right before your eyes. Talk about a dramatic mask. Contains AHA, which removes dead skin cells, gunk trapped within your pores, and evens out your complexion. Fabulous. Wait 15-20 minutes or until completely dried and then peel. I've always had a weird thing with peel masks, so I don't think I'm going to use this. Halo, zip it. So I don't know if I'm going to use it. I don't know why. I've always had a weird thing about peel off masks and like peeling, I don't know. I'll let you know if I try it though. Right, the next thing. I'm not a fan of these, so again, I'm not going to keep it. So hopefully someone who likes this will win it in a giveaway that I have in the future. This is the Quan Fan Silicone Beauty Blender, and it's a silicone makeup applicator. It retails for $4.99. I haven't had good luck with them in the past. I know some people really like them, but they're just not for me. The next thing in here is a brow pencil, and I will definitely use this because I love brow pencils. This retails for $7.99. This is the, oh, you know what? It's by Eyeshadow. I feel like in Asia and Japan and Korea and everything, I feel like Shiseido also has like a drugstore brand, so I feel like that's what this is. But this is the Nuave eyebrow pencil. This retails for $7.99, and it just looks like a cool nude brown, which is awesome because I'll definitely use that. All right, and the last thing in here is a foil kit, and this retails for $3. It's the Blackhead and Black Mask Home Spa Kit. Okay, so it's like it's peels for your blackheads. There's 2 of them, and there's a pore tightening serum and like a little black applicator stick. To be honest, I'm not super sure what the black stick is for. It just says black stick. It looks like a black Q-tip. But I'll let you know what it does. Although, again, I'm not really cool with like peeling stuff off my face, so maybe I'll save this for a giveaway too. Actually, I actually did like this box because it was centered more around makeup, whereas usually they're more about skincare, body care, hair care, and stuff. So this was a fun change of boxes. So I enjoyed this one. Okay, so that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will, again, leave the info for the box below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.